Hi, in this session we'll be covering the basic navigation of the WebWizard 3 content management system. In the top left hand corner we have our home button. This will return you to the bulletin board that you see upon first logging in. Next to this you'll see the server number that you've been allocated. This can be useful to quote to our support team along with your site name if you ever require any assistance. Clicking your name here will take you to the account management screen. Here you'll see your site name. If you have access to multiple websites through your account, this will display as a drop-down, allowing you to easily switch between them. Next to this, we have our site config, where you can edit the global configuration for your website. The globe icon will load your website up in a new tab. The refresh cached items button will force a cache reset on the website. It's important to click this after making any changes to ensure your website is up to date with any of the edits that you've made. There's a handy button here to send an email directly to our support team. And finally, the logout button. Moving over to the nav bar on the left hand side, first off we have our content drop-down. This contains all of the item types for your website, where you'll be doing the majority of the work editing the website itself. If you have an e-commerce website, the orders tab will contain all orders placed through the website and also list transactions. The admin tab takes you to the back-end tools that you have access to. The media tab is where you'll upload all of your images and files for use on the website. And finally, the training tab takes you to the video tutorials that you're watching now.